Most people waste good royal jelly by using it badly because most of people don't know how to use royal jelly, what form of royal jelly should be consumed, how, when and what is the dosage. Today I'll tell you how to consume royal jelly. If we talk about fresh royal jelly, which is in a jelly form, that's a pale yellow color, you just have to use 1 spoon, maybe 2 to 3 grams of one dosage for royal jelly in the morning is more than enough. If you are looking for treating any concerns, then you might consult your medical advisor before increasing the dose. Same happens with the powder form. If you want to eat royal jelly in powder form, you can have it in the morning, you can have it in the night, you can have it with water, you can have it with honey, but just only 1 spoon. So with royal jelly powder, we also send one measured spoon, so you can be rest assured while you are having your dose. Just 1 spoonful of royal jelly is more than enough to complete your daily requirements. If you are a beginner and worried about the taste, you also might choose royal jelly capsules. If we talk about the other royal jelly products that are honey with royal jelly or honey bee pollen with royal jelly, you can have 1 teaspoon, that is around 8 to 10 grams in Indian household. For maximum absorption, you should have in the morning empty stomach. When we talk about the storage of royal jelly products, it might differ because of their form. If you are eating fresh royal jelly, you have to store it in freezer, refrigerator. Proper refrigeration is important to maintain the nutritional value of royal jelly, and you can just scratch the fresh royal jelly every morning and just eat it. The reason behind introducing royal jelly powder, which is made from a freeze dry technology, you can keep it in the fridge, have it in the morning empty stomach or at night. If you are eating capsule, that can be stored at room temperature also, and that can be consumed in the morning or in the night. If we talk about honey bee pollen with royal jelly or honey with royal jelly, they are advised to be consumed 1 spoon in the morning or 1 spoon in the night. For all of the royal jelly products, whenever you wish to increase the dosage, you should consult your medical advisor. If you want, just comment royal jelly and we will make a 30-day beginner routine for you, how to consume it and when to consume it. Perfect usage of a product may not be the best option if the product is of bad quality. To know how to choose a good royal jelly, why Shiva Organic royal jelly is better, watch the next video.